Yeah, baby. Yeah. That's what it's all about, brother. You know what I'm saying? Paradise.
Paradise.
The state of the quarters. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
Okay.
It's all about the quarters.
Yeah.
By the way, you still have quarters left?
I choke quarters.
Oh, okay.
The one I won for you last week. I know you're probably getting it back today, but still, it's your quarter. So.
Yeah. All right, Donnie is on the 18th hole at Mililani Golf Course. Hole. Wow, that's a great shot.
Yeah.
Right down the middle, Don. Hey, shut up! I'm recording you. You.
In the middle of the trees. Oh, you don't need the video, okay? Just I went to the left. Okay, don't worry about it.
And here is Verge. Oh, that's a great shot right there. That'll work perfectly. Frankie? Oh, that's your best drive of the day, Frank. It's a great shot. All right, everybody's off the tee. Everybody's in the middle of the fairway. That's hit a good one. That's a good one.
Right into the bunker.
No, it's gonna be short.
Oh, beautiful shot.
Beautiful shot, right into the bunker.
Yeah. And you own the video too. Oh my.
My drive ended up in the bunker. Nice lie. I mean, there's no lip to worry about, so just gonna hit this like a regular fairway shot. Let's see if we can hit a good shot. Okay, that'll work.
Oh shit.
That should be good. That should be good. All right, come on, Mr. Donnie. Who's away, Don?
Me.
Oh, so the 1 and 2 is in already?
Yeah.
Who was 1 and who was 2?
I was 2.
So what are you putting for, Don?
4 and par. Don, you dummy.
12 uphill. 12 uphill. Oh, come on, man, watch this. Ah! All right, par.
Par?
Yeah. Well, I hit a good drive, I get them 1 and 2, and then I 2-putt. That's a good par, right?
Oh yeah, that's
Yeah, what? Isn't that par, Don?
Yeah, it's par. Go BB, go BB. Yeah, good par. Buggy.
No, bogey, not par.
No more nothing, no more that one.
No, nothing.
Oh, at least I get one.